Hey second graders, it's Miss Hanson here. I wanted to put together a little video to hopefully help you navigate seesaw. Um, I feel the same. Sometimes seesaw can get a little bit confusing and overwhelming, so I want to show you something that I have found out that's really helped me. So I actually am going to start on our daily schedule. I'll show you how to get into a seesaw activity and then different tricks that you might need to use. So here's our daily schedule. And I'm going to use the example of Monday because today that I'm recording the video is Monday. And let's say it's 9:15, you're starting to go into your social studies activity. And I see here complete the cultural self-portrait activity on Seesaw. Well, this is blue and this is a link, so I can click on it. So click, and I'm going to go here and click again. Click. This brings me right into my Seesaw account. Oh, and here's the activity, cultural self-portrait. Now I might read the directions, I might play the instructions, which will often play my voice. I'm reading this to you. And then I'll add a response when I'm ready to do my work. So that's one way to get into it. The other way is to go into Seesaw. So here I have my Seesaw tab open, but wow, there's a lot of activities here, and this might feel overwhelming for you. When I scroll through, I see that there's social studies, there's math, here's a reading activity. So how do I find what I'm supposed to be doing? So I might go into to do. So on the right side of your Seesaw page, you should see to do, in progress, and done. So here's activities. These are things that you still need to do, maybe some things you're working on, and activities that are finished. I see a folder tab over here, and I'm going to click on it because this will help you. Click. Now I see all of the different things I learn about in school. Art, math, music, physical education, reading, science, social studies, and if I keep scrolling, I get to writing. So I can go into activities from here. So let's remember again, what were we looking for? 9:15, social studies. Oh, okay, social studies. And the activity name was cultural self-portrait. Okay. So I might click on the social studies folder. Click. Now this takes me to only my social studies activities, and it's right here, cultural self-portrait. Let me show you folders again. Folders. Maybe I'm going to a math activity. I would click on math, and now it brings me to only my math activities. You'll see up here it says math. Same thing, you'll read the directions and you'll add your response. That's where you're going to do your own work, okay? So I hope that this was at least a little helpful in how to navigate and find things. If you still have more questions, we can talk further, but give that a try today. See if maybe you want to go in through folders and click on your area of work, your content area, which would be math, reading, writing, and see if you can get into your activity that way. All right, see you later. Bye.